Hello guys, it's me here again, Chicken Natural Remedies. So if today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, I'm gonna share with you what happened to your body when you drink your turmeric every day. Turmeric has so many benefits, guys. It helps in preventing cancer, but in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to use it to reduce weight. If this sounds like what you are interested in, just keep on watching. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's just get into the video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just dive into the video.
The first thing we need for this recipe is our lemon. I will just peel off the back of the lemon.
Lemon juice contains vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, iron and fiber. Lemon juice not only encourages healthy digestion by losing toxins in your digestive tract, it also helps to relieve symptoms of indigestion such as heartburn and bloating. Lemon juice cleans your system, it freshens your breath, it aids in digestion. It has so many benefits, guys.
I'll just cut the lemon. And I'll add it straight to the plate. Next thing we need is our ginger. So I'll start by peeling off the back of the ginger.
Guys, you can never go wrong with ginger. Ginger has so many benefits. Ginger aids in lost weight, and ginger reduces inflammatory, it reduces pain. Ginger prevents cancer. Ginger helps in flu and cold. It has so many benefits.
Now cut it and add it straight to the plate. I'll add straight to the plate. So guys, I'm gonna add the lemon and ginger into the blender. I'm just doing just 1 cup. So if you want to do it, if you want it to be more, you can go ahead and double all these things we are using for this recipe. Okay, the next I'm going to add is our black pepper. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Just 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Next I'm going to add is our turmeric. It's curcumin. They call it curcumin in German. So that's what I'm going to add. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. If you have a turmeric seed, you can go ahead and use your fresh turmeric, but I'm using the turmeric powder. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'll add it to the blender.
Turmeric contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps to reduce weight. It boosts your immune system. So it helps to prevent cancer, and it helps to lower your cholesterol level. Honestly, there's a lot of benefits in this turmeric.
So the last I'm going to add to this is our warm water. 1 cup of warm water. And I'll blend.
So this mixture gonna do wonders in your body, not only in shedding weight, it's gonna boost your immune system. Honestly guys, there is a lot of benefits in this mixture. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.
So guys, this is a blended. I'm going to add straight to the cup. So guys, this is what you need to reduce that belly fat. Honestly, this thing works so well. When you just drink it in the morning before your breakfast, even if you want to eat breakfast, just give it like 30 minutes before you go ahead and eat your breakfast. So guys, at this point you can see I didn't remove the fiber of the lemon, but if you know you cannot drink it this way, go ahead and use your cheat cloth to just filter it and drink it, or use your strainer to just strain it if you know you cannot take the fiber alongside with this. But it's better for you to just take it. But if you know it's not good for you, you cannot take it, because some people, they don't like it. If you know you cannot take, just use your strainer to strain it. Okay, drink it 2 times a day. If you want to see the maximum result for this, just drink it 2 times a day. Let it be the last thing you will drink before going to the bed and the first thing you drink when you wake up in the morning. it will just melt down that fat. It will just keep you in shape. You have accumulated enough in this Christmas. We still need something that will just, you know, take those things away out of our body and keep us in shape. So this is one of it. Just go ahead and make your own and drink. Just drink it. You know, I did not remove, you see, I didn't remove the fiber, I didn't remove the lemon, everything. The fiber you see is still inside, so it will make you know just hold it away before eating. But if you cannot, just drink it. Give it 30 minutes before eating your food, your breakfast. It will just melt down that belly fat and keep you in shape. Yeah guys, here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just hit that button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.